Case Logic's SLR-C205 camera sling was designed for the digital SLR camera that is always on the move. Whether hiking your local wilderness trail or traveling abroad, Case Logic's SLR-C205 camera sling provides a comfortable, lightweight solution for carrying your digital SLR and accessories. Simply slide your digital SLR lens down through the patented neoprene suspension hammock designed to suspend your camera free from obstruction and protect the lens from impact during transport. Protective memory foam on the top of the case guards your delicate digital SLR screen. The small zippered hip pocket on the sling panel enables convenient storage for your lens cap or other small items. When traveling, place an extra lens, light jacket, or other accessories in this designated side compartment. Place your memory cards, filter, or extra battery in the front zippered pocket. Secure your tripod or monopod comfortably connected to the front of the case using this convenient flap and strap system. Air mesh on the back of the case ensures added comfort and breathability when carrying a heavier load. Ready to hit the trail? Place the sling over your shoulder and secure with the convenient waist strap for added comfort and stability. Eliminate those pesky dangling straps with Case Logic's cord management system. Adjust the sling to your specified comfort, then roll and secure the excess straps to keep out of your way. Finally, access your camera in the main compartment without ever having to take off the sling by unclipping the waist strap and swinging the bag around in front of you. Simply swing the bag back behind you and prepare for your shot. Whether photography is your livelihood or your way of preserving those memorable moments, Case Logic's SLR-C205 is dedicated to protecting your equipment and ensuring you never miss the next photo op. Case Logic. Life simplified.